with our 2 sticks of butter. I'm gonna grab some brown sugar and we're gonna add half a cup of brown sugar right in there with our 2 sticks of butter. Grab our whisk and we're gonna let that melt and get nice and delicious. We are kind of making a caramel on our stovetop with just these 2 ingredients for a super delicious dessert that everyone will love. So let's let that butter melt and get well combined with our brown sugar. All right, so now that that's all bubbly and boiling, this is ready. We're gonna give it one last stir, turn off that heat, and then let's go on over to our countertop. All right, we're gonna put this to the side, and I have my greased silicone muffin tin, and we're gonna start off by placing a Ritz cracker on each cup of the muffin tin, just like so. This is gonna be a nice salty element to add to our delicious no-bake dessert, and it comes together so quickly. So let's get these in there, and then now we can grab our cookie scoop so that we can scoop our delicious caramel right on top of our Ritz cracker, just like so. And we want to make sure that that cracker is completely covered in our delicious caramel toffee mixture. Oh my, so easy to put together. I absolutely love this dessert. It's great to give as a gift. If you're going to a party and you want to give your host a gift, or it's just great to snack on. It's like a small, little dessert that you can just indulge in and not feel guilty. So let's make sure we get enough caramel in each of these. Oh my goodness. All right, and we're just gonna pop these in the oven for about 5 minutes at 400 degrees. All right, we just pulled these out of the oven, and while they're still hot, I'm gonna bring in my Hershey's milk chocolate, and we are gonna put a couple of these right on top. That was probably too much, but that's okay, that one will be mine. And we are going to put these right on top so that they can get nice and melty on top of our caramel toffee. And I do have to correct myself. I said that this was no bake, but you did have to bake it for 5 minutes. It's just that quick that I forgot. So let's just get a good amount of chocolate chips. We have some still in our bag, so I think we can get a little bit heavier handed on some of these. But we're gonna let those sit for a couple minutes to let them melt. All right, now you could just leave these as is, but I'm gonna grab a spoon and we're just gonna kind of flatten out those chocolate chips so that we get like a solid chocolate layer on top of our toffee. Just super quick. Use a spatula, a spoon, whatever you have. Look how melty that chocolate looks. And then we have one more thing to add to this delicious dessert that I think everyone will enjoy. So get this nice and spread out super quick. All right, now that that's all spread out, I'm just gonna add my pecan chips. All right, on top, just a nice little sprinkle. This is optional. You could also do like a sprinkle, or you could do a walnut. You could do whatever nut. You could do just some sea salt, but I think that these pecans are gonna be so good on top of this. And with the chocolate, you could also do whatever chocolate. You could do a dark chocolate, a white chocolate, but I think that this combination is gonna be a hit. I've done versions of this before and it is always so tasty. All right, now that we have those chips on there, this is gonna go in the fridge for a couple of hours. Right, so these were in the fridge for 2 hours, and I want to know, if you don't have a silicone muffin tin, you can just use cupcake liners. But let's go ahead and pop these out. And look how cute they came out. They are the perfect little dessert, individual dessert that anyone will love, and they are going to be so tasty. Oh yeah, okay. Look at that little Ritz cracker on the bottom.
It looks so cool. Is it good?
That is so good. Oh my, you have to try these.